Hi guys, let's talk about some funky stuff in Amazon PPC. This is the export of the actual campaign for one US account. I've sorted only sponsored display campaigns. What I want you to remember here, I will show you what is the performance of sponsored display campaigns when you look at them in Campaign Manager, and then I will show you what's the overall result of all the campaign types together, what's the overall ACoS, and how do these campaigns work together. Take a look at this. Now, I've marked in blue two campaigns which are not retargeting campaigns. All the others are retargeting and have slightly better results than these two. These two are, one is the category targeting, one is product targeting. When you look at the overall results of the whole sponsored display um, campaign type as a whole, you will see that we have close to 60% of ACoS. Terrible results. Then, when we take a look at these two, which are not retargeting campaigns, but more general ones for attacking competitors and some broader reach, our ACoS is 383%. How about that? So almost everyone would go ahead and pause, limit the budget, lower the bid and whatnot. So there are many ways how to make this result better. But what's happening in a more holistic way? What would be the case? Again, Amazon Marketing Cloud to the rescue. This is the same date range, same account, month to date in December. How each campaign type is performing and how are they performing together. In Amazon Marketing Cloud, you can find that like overlap report. It's pretty easy and I covered that in my previous videos. You can check them out on our YouTube channel. So here we can see, again, whenever somebody saw sponsored brand ad, sponsored display ad, sponsored product ad, our purchase rate grows tremendously. You can see that this bucket has the lowest unique reach. That's the lowest number of people that we reach who managed to see all of our three campaign types, and still the majority of product sales happened from this bucket. So people who saw three type of ads are the ones who are spending the most and buying the most. Then you can compare that to the people who saw sponsored brands and sponsored product type of ads and sponsored display together with sponsored products. Again, much bigger than the biggest chunk. Currently, still the biggest chunk of people that we reach is through sponsored products, and you can see that the unique reach is huge, but total product sales is way below the other three buckets. Reach percent for sponsored products only is 86%. What this tells us is that we need to invest more in sponsored brands, need to invest more in sponsored display. So it's not that you need to watch only on the ACoS values, not only the total ACoS values, that's completely different thing. It's not like ACoS doesn't matter. It does matter because you can watch your profitability on the product level by watching ACoS. Still, when you look into Amazon Marketing Cloud Analytics, then you can see these gems of data where you can clearly see what's the strategy forward. Yes, you need to invest more in sponsored display, you need to invest more in sponsored brands, regardless of the ACoS. You need to watch the overall result of your campaign performance. Let me know if this sparked certain questions in your head. I think it will, because anybody who sees the ACoS of 383% would go nuts, and I don't judge them, but there's a deeper level of all of this data. Let me know what you think in the comments, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.